All right, here we are at 131 Junction Road in Media in Franklin Station. And as always, taking the drone footage, but we have a unique situation here. Essentially, somebody bought this and they are going to immediately sell it. So never really even lived in it, never used the toilets. It is pristine. So you have a pristine end unit coming for sale and or rent. So we'll explore both of them, but taking a little bit of what, Franklin Station has to offer. So you can clearly see the pool. I think this is the first shot I actually got because I have several other videos, showing Franklin Station from months before. And I think this is the first one actually showing off that pool. So take that in. We're gonna fly around a little bit, but really you have an end unit here with 3 bedrooms, and you actually have 2.5 baths and egress in the basement. So there's the best shot from the roof. And we're gonna bring you down and show you that composite deck. It is immaculate. So we went over, took care of everything with the punch list. This house is ready for someone to move right in, put their finishing touches, on it. And of course, not wait for new construction, because you have new construction right now immediately available. So taking that last shot of drone footage, and we're gonna get you inside for the boots on the ground tour. So here we go. All right, welcome to a coming soon 131 Junction here in Franklin Station, end unit right here. And tell you what, this one is immaculate. It has never been lived in. Some plans changed, so it's coming to market. I'm just gonna take you over here and show you the back deck from the outside, show you how the neighborhood is situated. As always, we're gonna add some drone footage too, but there's the composite deck. And I'll take you back here so you can see the whole size of the house. And just to show you quickly the neighborhood, show to you at ground level, and then of course we'll show to you from the sky. So we'll take you in the front door. It does have a 2-car garage, and this one's pristine. So didn't even flush a toilet here. No one's lived here, and that is a very nice feeling, because you do not have to wait the timeline that Toll Brothers is currently predicting to get your new home. You can get it now. So there you go. 2-car garage. We'll take you right in the front door. Still a few minor things down the road that have to be taken care of, but clearly we have everything handled by the builder. So here's the front door. If you're showing it, any other agents or clients, shoes off. We recommend hand sanitizers and masks still. But here you are, welcome home. So you're greeted immediately by the steps. And I gotta say, some of the design choices in here really flow nicely. So you do have the darker hardwoods. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 spots right there for a bar stool. We'll spin you around here. So again, just like you're buying it brand new, you do have to pick up your own fridge and your own washer and dryer, but those choices are yours. You have an outlet right there in the floor. We'll spin you around the kitchen. You have the 2 pendant lights, the nook over here, and of course, the pantry. Already shelved, ready to go. The backsplash, gas cooking. Look at that view. Look at all these windows. Beautiful. Now your dishwasher's located over there. We'll spin you around, more or less your dining area there, the way it's situated. But this is a blank slate. You can turn it into anything you want. So, and the good news is, some things can still be finished to your liking. Here you can see that was set up for a TV most likely. But there you go. We're just gonna pop you out on the deck so you can see it. And composite, assuming I still know how to open a screen, we're good. So you have the privacy between the two. You can see that backyard space, and you can see the deck. I'll bring you up. Beautiful skies today. So there you are. So plenty of room outside. We're also gonna fly over the pool and the rec center and everything else that Franklin Station has to offer. So there you go. That's the majority of the downstairs. We still have the powder room and the 2-car garage. So let's show off the garage. Nice, neat, and clean, obviously. There's your panel. I'll take you down just real quick. Plenty of room here. You do have a spigot in here. Frost-free, I assume. And some outlets, higher ceilings. You want to put a lift in here or something here in the cars. Go to town. The trash is already set up. So if you come in this way, there's your coat closet and your sizable powder room. And just to promise that it is unused, We don't have toilet paper here. So there you are. I'll back up, show you the entranceway one more time. There you go. Now let's venture up and see what the second floor has. So as we go up here right to the right, we do have the primary bedroom. So look at the size of this. So plenty of windows. I'll just take you for a quick spin around. Massive closet there. And there's more to show. So let me get you a quick layout of that closet. And by the way, we're going to upload all the documents for the design and show you the dimensions. So we'll have everything. As of today, we're not going to do the Matterport, but we will do a 3D, scanning of the entire place too, which is great. So here you go. Little modification here to make the shower bigger. You do have the rain from above, and then a shower head there. Look at the tile. Sink's right there, toilet, and then there's your bonus closet. So we already showed you one in the room, you have that. And right here, you have a linen closet as well. So a real sizable bathroom for the primary. And then take that hallway in. One more gander here. Show you the floors. Then we'll show you the other two bedrooms, the laundry room, and the additional bathroom. So linen closet there. Here's the laundry room. What you see is what you get. Remember, pristine, not lived in. You still have, your own choices. The only thing I will add is you're going to need an electric dryer because it's set up for electric. You do have the sink and some storage above. Here's bedroom number 2. So looking out the front. Again, for this community, they're still under construction. But there you are. So they went with the carpet option in these 2 bedrooms. And sizable closet. As you can see, carpet all the way there, wall to wall. Hallway, and then the 3rd bedroom. So the 3rd bedroom is actually, pretty much a perfect rectangle, and then the closet doesn't take away space from it. It's bumped out with its own window. So natural light in there, 2 shelves. You're good to go. So there is the bedroom. And we can tell you how everything's wired up. The bathroom. And you get a quick dimension. These are 1x1 tiles. So a lot of space. You have the double sink. There you go. You actually have the window right above the tub area. Great for natural light. Plenty of elbow room here. Now we're going to walk down and then show you the basement. Nice little space here too. Again, we'll see what some of the other folks did as far as, getting this situated and furnished. So we can supply some ideas. But here we are. There's your front door again. We're going to spin around and show you this area. And then we're going to shoot down to the basement. So one more vantage point of this. We'll open the basement door. Now the basement is finishable. It has an egress window, but it was not finished. So what you see is what you get. Remember, brand new, unlived in. Here you go. We actually have a radon test in progress right now, just to make sure everything is all good. But you can see all the systems are new. So we'll have the warranties come with them, of course. Sump, water heater, and all the plumbing. And this area here is probably where you'd want to finish if you did. You have the egress. I'll take you in this corner and just kind of pull you back to show you. It's a big, big basement. And we can also pull from some of the other ones that were already finished and show you what they look like, from a design standpoint. We'll help you out with that too, gladly. So that is the basement. We're going to bring you back up, leave you in the kitchen. And then as always, we're going to do a little bit more bonus drone footage flying around the neighborhood and show you where they are in the construction phase, because we actually have, I want to say, 2 previous videos showing the whole community. So you can see their progress and see where they are. I'll tell you what, for right now, I'll leave you right there.